Let's talk about when a passenger gets a little out of hand and it's
Did you
showing
watch that
on
video?
dashcam footage.
Did
I
you watch
watched
the
that
video
video.
when it happened?
Well,
Don't you think she
partially.
was on
I didn't watch
crack
the thing.
or meth or something?
I have no idea, but I'm sure a lot of people who watch this video. This is the one that happened where the New York City
Yeah.
pepper sprayed the driver. Guess what? You fired.
She is 23. She effed up her life for good.
Oh,
Nobody
God,
will
yeah.
hire. Nobody will hire her. Okay.
No.
And in fact, whoever had hired her out of college fired her.
Fired her.
ass. So
Bye.
now a writer gets fired. Boom. And New York City passenger who pepper sprayed Muslim Uber driver now fired from PR job. But now, Chris, she's being accused of that being a hate crime because it's in New York City. You know, we're a little, we're a little left there. Personally speaking, I think it's a little harsh. Should she get fired? 100%. Should she go to jail for that? Well, let's take it the reverse. What would have happened to the driver if the driver did that to the rider?
Jail.
Yeah. So, yeah. She said the driver was praying while driving. No, she was high on some sort of freaking drug. If you guys ever watched that video, but this is not about her getting fired. Good that she got fired. Uber passenger charged with a hate crime for pepper spraying Muslim driver in Manhattan is a former sorority girl who was fired from her PR job over shocking incident. Manhattan college graduate Jennifer, 23, had just started a promising career at a New York public relations firm. She was probably going to lobby for Uber when she was caught on Dashcam, springing forward to spray her rideshare driver. Okay. And her employer, D. Pagan Communications, fired her. Okay. Here's the deal. I'm glad justice prevailed, but in this case, the thing to talk about is if there was no dashcam, Chris, evidence, and if the driver claimed that, yeah, I got pepper sprayed because of this, would anybody believe that driver?
Unlikely, very unlikely. So again, for the 9 out of 10 drivers who email Sergio and say, "Help me, I've been deactivated," and the first thing he says to you, "Do you have a dash camera?" 9 out of 10 of you are saying no. 9 out of 10 need to get a dash camera.
Please do.
Everybody, and look, that's 9 out of 10 people watching. We're not just saying get a dash camera because whatever reason. We're saying get a dash camera because you need a dash camera. Get a dash camera. There's links in the description. There's the display ride that you can get by using code RSG. There are different ones from Van True and VFO, and there's so many different dash cameras. Get them. Front, back, or front, interior, at least audio. Check your local laws when it comes to one party, two party consent. Make sure you're following the law in the event if you need two party consent, how you can get, not, I wouldn't say around it, but so you're still in line with having that that there. So just make sure you have a dash camera. We have links in the description. Get one. A lot of them are on sale. Just get one.
Yeah. And here's a pervert driver of ours. Sorority girls in Boulder and fantastic. Pervert, bro. Fucking pervert.
Go to my other channel. See some of the something that I had on my other channel with sorority girls.
We're all kidding, Eric. We're all kidding. Please keep your business in business. But anyway, so yeah, please get a dash cam. Without a dash cam, you guys are just in the mercy of Uber, in the mercy of Lyft, in the mercy of the rider. I mean, come on. Just how many times can we say this, right? I have a display right. I love my display right. I don't mess with the SD cards, upload, download, none of the shit. It just goes to the cloud. Done. Move on. And please go get one. Whatever you want to get. Don't be too cheap either. Don't get like a cheap garbage thing. Get something that's going to live with you for a while. Anyway.
Yeah.
So
I still have my Van True N2 Pro, which was the first dash camera I bought way back when I started. Still have it. Still works. I've graduated to the N4.
Well, to fight traffic tickets, now I'm going to call Jazz at Turn Signal. That's what I'm going to do.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.